In the past years, there have been a lot of talks about cancer on almost every channel of social media. And if you take an interest in this matter, you will find many informations about curing cancer on the internet. You also see claims like some superfoods, fruits, or some macrobiotic methods can help you fight back cancer. Eating less starch causes cancer cells take nutrition from them. Or only eating garlic, strawberry, and cancer will go away without having to go to the hospital. But are those claims true? To answer that, we need to understand what is cancer. Cancer myth. First off, cancer is not one single type of disease. You must have asked yourself before, why can modern medicine still not cure cancer? This maybe is the most popular misunderstanding when talking about cancer. We usually use the word like it's a type of disease, while in fact, cancer is a common name for a group of more than 100 different diseases. And that's the reason why we still fear the boogeyman named cancer. Simply because they are trying to cure more than 100 types of diseases. Some they did, some they are about to, and some won't be cured in the near future. Let's go deeper. We all know cells in our body constantly multiply to make new cells and replace dying cells. And this process was always controlled by a mechanism in the body. For example, fingernail cells will replicate into other fingernail cells, not skin cells. But this replication process is not always accurate, and some cells will be born defective. Although they will be detected and removed by our immune systems, unfortunately, some bad seeds grow undetected and keep on multiplying out of control. When this happens, they will create tumors. There are benign tumors that can be easily removed, and then there are malignant tumors, weaken our body, and spread to other places. Those malignant tumors are what we call cancer. And when these cancer cells start moving to other parts of our body, doctors say the cancer has metastasized. Cancer cells will start clinging to other internal organs and take all their nutrition. Vital organs, like the liver and kidney, will shut down and slowly kill the patient. But metastasis doesn't change the nature of cancer. If lung cancer cells metastasize to bone, they are still lung cancer cells. And what's the difference between other cancer types? It's how they grow and react to treatments. Some are fast, some are slow, some can be easily detected, some stay hidden for many years, and when we find out, it's often too late. Some types of cancer must be treated through surgery, and some through radiation therapy. Usually they will use many forms of treatments contemporary. What causes cancer? The first factor raising your chance of getting cancer is aging. When you get older, your cells are not working well like before. The immune system becomes weaker, and so the amount of error cells becomes larger and can easily turn into a cancerous tumor. Genetic factors, diet, and living conditions are also big factors. Exposure to some specific chemicals can also lead to cancer. Is there any kind of food that can kill cancer? We often hear about some superfoods that can kill cancer cells, or some miracle drugs that can wipe out those tumors. Is that true? The answer is yes, but there's a high chance that they also kill the patient. Oopsie! Because cancer cells, comparing to some normal cells inside our body, they are like some kind of supercells. And to make matters worse, they're always clinging to our organs. A natural product that's toxic enough to kill cancer cells will have a high chance to blow up your body, too. We have to understand that food plays a support role in cancer treatment process, like providing vital nutrition for body to recover, healing damaged tissues and cells. So they are still very important, but saying you only need a suitable diet to cure cancer is like believing in some fictional fantasies. So the $1 million question here is, how to kill cancer cells while still keeping the patient alive? That's the biggest problem in today's medical field. Doctors must always check and observe their patients closely to give a suitable treatment plan for each cancer type. They also have to consider carefully about medicine type, the intensity of chemotherapy and radiation therapy to ensure they only affect cancer cells. However, affecting the healthy cells around them is unavoidable. That's why chemo and radiation therapy before often make patients to lose hair, lost weight, nausea, and lost sense of taste because those treatments damaged their organs. For now, modern therapies have already reduced these effects. Understanding and curing the cancer. Long story short, a good diet only helps you to reduce the chance to get cancer, not curing it. More simply, just think of it this way, that no diet can cure you from over 100 diseases. If someone told you that they're having or selling some functional foods that can cure cancer, they're either stupid or scamming you. Getting your health checked regularly is one of the best ways to fend off cancer. An early stage could totally be cured fully. In case you find out you have cancer, only seek medical attention from the hospital. Never put your trust in some heirloom drugs or some traditional and mouth-to-mouth medicines, or believe that eating some superfoods can fix you up without having to go to the doctor. It only makes you waste money and your lifetime. By the way, did I mention that 200 more people have died of cancer since the moment you started this video? And a good part came from the fact that some people still believe in those nonsense superfoods more than modern medicine. We think our best weapon against those charlatans is knowledge. And by sharing this video, we hope that we can raise people's awareness about this vicious disease. And maybe, just maybe, one human life could be saved because of it. To us, that's enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the video in the comment box below and suggest the topic you want the monsters to discover next.